these are the 3 Me and My Big Ideas recipe planners. We have the kit planner, which comes with some stickers, 192 recipes, and some little note cards. This one I found at Hobby Lobby is no longer on their site. This one is $24.99. I forgot to say the kit is $34.99. And then the red recipes, I believe, is their newest recipe book, and it is 192 recipes too, and it is $24.99 on their website. They are identical. They have grocery lists. Everything is identical. I'm going to tell you the difference between the two instead of going through them. The kit does not have the 5-star rating on the bottom of the recipes. This one does not have the slow cooker icon here. It just has temperature instead. And it does not have the 5-star rating. The red recipe book has the cute little slow cooker. I can get there. And a 5-star rating down below. The red recipes is the only one with the 5-star rating. Of course, you can always add that yourself. It's more, they're exactly the same basically. It's more your preference of what color combinations you like. Again, the kit is $34.99 on their website. This I only found at Hobby Lobby. I believe it's the oldest one, and it is $24.99. It doesn't have the slow cooker icon on the slow cooker page, and it doesn't have the 5-star rating again. And then, of course, the red recipes is $24.99 on their website. They also have an expansion pack available for $9.99. It comes with 40 recipe cards and 4 dividers. It also has a sheet of stickers for your dividers, and I'm going to list off what doesn't come with it, or the different ones than what's in the regular recipe binder, since they're the same. So you can add breakfast, salads, appetizers, soups and stews, kid favorites, beverages, side dishes, and lunches are the ones not included in the regular recipe planners. So those are the ones that you can use. And of course there are duplicates.